Hello everyone. So today I'm going to make a draw of card on Happy Father's Day. So first of all I will write using bubble font. I will write happy. I've already told how to make bubble font in my previous video. So you can watch that video to see about the bubble font. So this way I will write happy fathers. This is bubble font. You can also make like bubbles, make the alphabet like bubbles. It look cute. And day. So today is Happy Father's Day. So like this you can make your this card for your father. Okay, Happy Father's Day. So now I will draw the cute devil doodles on one side to show that fathers used to save us from all the devils in this world and all the problems in this world. So this is cute doodles, devil doodles. So this is one of the devil doodle, and like this I will make some more devil doodles, make different designs of doodles to show that there are, but these are cute devil doodles actually. So to make add the cuteness in the card. So in the end it will look cute, and it shows the devils also, cute devils. So this is one of the devil you can see, and like this I will keep on adding some more devils. Now there is one more devil, cute devil. So you can add some eyes, big eyes, horns, and all these things to make these doodles. Big eyes, go round eyes. Now this is saying, it's trying to, we can add some words also like boo. It's trying to scare the people. Boo. This is a word you can add. Add some more devil doodles. Like this, you can add some more some more devil doodles. You can add, keep on adding details like this. Now like this you can keep on adding. Now like this I will keep on, I'm making one more devil doodle. So you can see it's trying to scare away. And then comes the Superman, that is the father, who tries to save the child from these devils. So this is the, I want to show in the this card. I will, one more thing I will do, I will add some more paper in between. I will cut in between this in between, and I will fold it like a card. So in between I will draw some add some more drawings like father, and some more details I will give in this card. So you can also do that. You can cut it into in between, and you can add some more paper in between to make it a long paper, and then you can in between you can add the drawing of father and the child also. So I have this cut this into two pieces, and then I have stick like this, so a portion will come in between also, and then I will card will become like this, and like it will be a folding paper, and in between we can draw a father and a daughter also. So I will start coloring it now. So you can use pencil color, watercolor, whatever color you want it's suitable. It's, you can use according to your like. So I'm using pencil color, and even I'm combining the watercolor it with it. And in between I will draw the father and the daughter also. So you can see how the final card is now. So this is the final card. You can see how it is, how beautiful it is looking. This is the devil doodles. I have colored it. I have added some more devil doodles in this, and fathers, some more designs I have added on the Father's Day side also. So now I will open it. You can see it will come like this. So these are the, so this is the final Father's Day card. You can see we have added, we have included the Father Day. On Father's Day, he's the father and he's holding his daughter up. And these are the doodles which I have started with. And this you can add, and some on, she has given all the beautiful flowers, and all the, everything is on the daughter's side. And so this is the happy Father's Day. So once I want to say all the fathers, happy Father's Day to all the fathers for their selfless love and support, and they are the ones who are the superheroes in the life of their children and save them from all the worldly devils. So you can see, and you can draw the card for yourself also, and you can gift it to your father, and you can say happy Father's Day to your father. So this is the thing you can do.